Hi guys, welcome back to 5150. Today we're going to be installing a roof rack on a 98 Jeep Cherokee XJ. It should be a fairly easy install. The tools that are required is we're going to use just our Milwaukee impact. It takes a 1/2-inch wrench, a 5/16, a 3/16 Allen, a 5/32 Allen. We're going to use a couple sockets, they're 1/2-inch and 5/8. We do have our ratchet. These are the rain gutter mounts. Basically these will go around the rain gutter, pinch it like this. It also comes with a kit here. This here goes around the cross member of the roof rack. So this is the back of the roof rack. These go around underneath like this. Obviously that doesn't fit for whatever reason, but we aren't going to use them anyways. We're going to pull these cross brackets off. We'll just take them off and leave this part here. So looks like it comes with all the all stainless hardware. Looks pretty. The directions look pretty detailed. It's 6 pages, but fairly easy. This fits a 83 to a 2001 Jeep Cherokee and Grand Cherokee. So it looks like it's got 3 pieces. We have it laying on the ground here. It's 3 pieces. There's a center section. They bolt here and here and here and here. So it looks like a nice rack. It's not our Jeep. It's a buddy of ours Jeep. I think he picked it off of EAG's website. All right, so let's go ahead and get this started. A flat washer on both sides and a lock washer. If we have to get more washers, we will. And just help the powder coating a little bit.
Put the surface area in the product.
So that's the front or back there?
This is the back panel. I'm putting all the bolts aiming towards the back.
Okay, so this is the front where it's got the wind resistance here.
Windbreak.
It just just pushes the wind over, just kind of like a spoiler. This is the front, and we're working our way back. Patrick's putting all the bolts, heads, the hex heads towards the front. Patrick's just lining up the outside tubes just to kind of get them even. Rack is made by EAG. We don't understand the logo yet, but if you guys know, please leave a comment below. This is the Cherokee we're putting it on. You guys remember in our other videos, we ended up putting in that rear bumper and the front bumper on this. All right, guys, we just stuck it up here in the box. We're gonna start putting in these mounts. We're just gonna, like Patrick said, we're just gonna get them on there. There's 6 on total, there's 3 on each side. And these are the brackets that mount to the rain gutter. So Patrick's putting all the stainless steel. These are M8s, 8mm. I think they're 1.25s. So you can see how those are hanging down there, and those are going to go in the inside of the gutter. Each 3 of those. All right, you're just going to kind of just drive them down a little bit. I think we're losing around. So, a rating from 1 to 10, what would you rate this at? Is 2, 3? Yes, difficult. 2, 3. It's not very difficult. The biggest thing, having 2 people to put it up on the rack or put it on the roof. I mean, I guess you could do it by yourself, but just easier with 2. You got to take off the cross. All right, guys, we were trying to see if we could get it without taking these off, but we're gonna have to take them off. We need to pull these cross rails off. The way we do that, we got to pull these end caps. This is a T27 in there, and right now we're just trying to lift it up. These get baked in the sun, so you gotta be careful they don't break. Trying to get it off without breaking it, but we do got to remove those cross members. So it's interesting, I never noticed this. This has like a half rack. This is it's a 98 oh, it's a 99, but an Iceman, which is a 98, it's got it runs the whole length of the roof. Never knew that. It looks like there's a little clip in there to kind of release this. Is it like a
Christmas tree?
Christmas tree, okay. There you go. I don't know if you guys seen Brian's LJ yet. We got it on 35s. I haven't finished the video completely. I'm not sure which one's coming out first. Kind of a sneak peek. So we did the Rubicon 2.5 and 3.5 for that's a Rubicon Express lift. Anyways, that video's coming soon. So they do have like a net sort in them.
Yeah, you gotta be careful with them. Side job.
So you gotta pull up that little Christmas tree. They usually break, they're brittle. Patch is just lining back up the Torx. All right, we already removed the rear one. We'll try to get this, show you how to do it. So you push down on the button, and then you just slide. Like that. Now we just gotta torque them down, tighten them up a bit. I'm just gonna try this for a second time. He's helping. All right, so we're gonna put the outer mount in there like that. These use the 3 button head screws. So Patrick's doing that side. Ryan's doing this side. Okay, now we just gotta tighten those top bolts. All right, now we're just taking a 1/2 inch. All right, guys, there it is. Got the roof rack is completely installed. Hey guys, please remember to hit the subscribe button as it really helps out the channel. And please remember to like, comment, and subscribe.